Alright, here's another homemade video. What we've got, I really wish I had something to hold this. Everything's one-handed. AJ's Black Torpedo Espresso. I'm not going to use it for espresso right now though, it's a pour it. You can see the kettle rolling there. Going for 16 grams, maybe 19. If I had one hand, I don't know if I'd keep drinking coffee. Maybe I would. Anyway, we lost the bean. Okay, I'm going to set this down for 1 second. Show you what we're going to use to grind it. That there is a Carl Lehnartz Turkish mill from Lord knows when. It's old, but the burrs are in pretty good shape and it spins pretty true. So let's see what happens. Take it apart, you have to take the handle off, which is pretty easy. Just have a little keyed slot there. Then you pop the top off like that. That's where you pour the beans in. But to get to where we need to get, you need to take the bottom off. Which I'm not going to worry about right now, to be honest with you, because I don't need to. I'm going to have to put the camera down to pour them in. It's a two-hand job. One hand just acts like a funnel to pour the beans in. You put the cap on, and you put your handy handle back on, like so. And you set the camera down again. And we're gonna grind these things. That is it. Pretty fast. I think it is. Let's see what we've got though. What kind of grind quality do we just enjoy? As you can see, there's a screw and a spring. You gotta kind of get some coffee off of that. That looks alright. Anyway, it's a little chappy, as you can see. But that's the coffee, not the grinder. That's what you get. And I'll tell you what, that is some excellent quality grinding. Anyway, that's our handy little video showing pretty much normal use with one of these. It's not that common, unfortunately. Wish you could say you could go out and buy a bunch of them, but not likely. Anyway, thanks for watching.